70-inch linear rectangular modern concrete fire pit table with glass guard and crystals in gray by AKOYA Outdoor Essentials, Caribbean Blue. Diamond Suit. Modern design. Diamond Suit impress anyone who steps into your outdoor space with our largest concrete fire pit. Grand in size but subtle in its form, this smokeless fire table features a minimalist rectangular shape and perfectly crafted straight edges. COSIEST Outdoor Propane Fire Pit Table. 56-inch x 28-inch rectangle bronze compact concrete-like finish, 50,000 BTU, wind guard, tank outside, free lava rocks, fits 20 pounds tank outside, rain cover. When the sun sets and your outdoor paradise begins to cool a bit, no need to go inside. Furniture is not included. Fire pits are hand-painted. Colors may vary. Diamond Suit. Durable materials. Diamond Suit. This unit is constructed from lightweight fiber-reinforced concrete with a gray finish over a sturdy steel frame for durable outdoor performance. AKOYA Outdoor Essentials. 60-inch rectangular modern concrete fire pit table with glass guard and crystals in brown, 60 brown, clear crystals. Effortless operation. Diamond Suit. Easy to use push-button electronic ignition with flame level control. Can be used with a 20 pounds propane tank that is stored externally, * propane tank not included, propane tank hideaway sold separately. Or with natural gas, * natural gas conversion kit sold separately, optional kit installation available *. Light the fire pit table and warm up the patio night. You can even serve an intimate dinner for four right on the spacious ledge surrounding the warm glowing lava rocks.